Spices and herbs, the flavor enhancers. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the flavorful world of spices and herbs. These ingredients are essential in cuisines around the globe, adding not just flavor, but also color and aroma to our favorite dishes. Let's explore what makes spices and herbs so special and how they differ from each other. Spices are usually derived from the dried parts of plants. This can include roots, bark, seeds, and fruits. Common examples include cinnamon, from bark, black pepper, from seeds, and turmeric, from roots. Spices often undergo various processes like drying and grinding before they reach our kitchens. They are known for their strong flavors and are used in small quantities to add depth and complexity to dishes. On the other hand, herbs are typically the leaves of certain plants that are used for flavoring. They can be used fresh or dried, though fresh herbs tend to have a milder flavor compared to dried ones. Popular herbs include basil, mint, and oregano. Herbs are often celebrated for their subtle flavors and are used not just for taste, but also for their aromatic properties. Both spices and herbs play pivotal roles in cooking. They help in enhancing the flavor of food without adding any extra calories, making them an essential part of healthy cooking. While spices are mostly used for their strong, pungent flavors, herbs are preferred for their fresh and delicate taste. Understanding how to use them can transform a simple dish into a culinary masterpiece. Spices and herbs are not just about taste and aroma, they also carry cultural significance. For centuries, they have been at the heart of trade routes and have shaped economies and cultures. From the spice markets of the Middle East to the herb gardens of Europe, these flavor enhancers tell a story of tradition, exploration, and connection. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey through the world of spices and herbs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, understanding how to use these ingredients can elevate your cooking to a whole new level. Here's hoping that this video has been helpful and that you're now more excited to experiment with spices and herbs in your own culinary creations. Happy cooking!